Many times, two creators can say the exact same thing, but it's only heard by one type of viewer and not the other. This channel is very new. We're just about 10 videos in, but the thing is, I've been wanting to upload to this channel for a long time. I felt like I had so many ideas just flowing in my head, but once I actually sat down and wanted to start executing on some of them, I kind of went blank. I kind of got overwhelmed with the amount of content that's out there, and it felt kind of like a little bit too competitive, and I wanted to make sure that whatever I choose to put my effort towards, the idea itself was worth the time, you know? So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways or 5 tools of how we can figure out endless amounts of content ideas, and you also want to choose your topic. So think back 2 years ago. What is some piece of knowledge that you wish you had back then that you now currently have? This is where the gold lies. Your experience is invaluable, and what is completely obvious to you right now could be revolutionary information for somebody that's just getting started. Okay, you also got to choose your path. Your style matters. You kind of want to figure this out before you start seeking content ideas. Just look at this little infographic right here before we get into the rest. Okay, enough of all of that. I'm ready to jump into the 5 tools that I use on a consistent basis to generate all my content ideas. Okay, up first we got this tool called Uber Suggest. The creator of this site is Neil Patel. He's a big marketing figure in the digital space. This site has a lot of good keyword research tools, more so for Google, not particularly for YouTube, but a lot of times this stuff will translate. So what I like to do, I like to go to the keyword research, content ideas, and let's just put like this as an example, AI tools. Now you can see all the blog articles that are currently trending, and a lot of times if they're trending on Google, these types of ideas can translate well into social media, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Sometimes blog articles don't surface social media platforms that quickly, so it's a good place to kind of figure out what's trending in the space. Over here you could see estimated visits. You could actually check out the articles themselves just by pressing one of these links, and you could really get a good idea about what's happening in particular niches or different industries. So this is definitely a good website to use. Neil Patel has a lot of good resources out there. We're going to cover another one in this video as well. Okay, another powerful tool, we got vidIQ. It's a super powerful tool for YouTube content creators. You can do keyword research, analytics, you could do some analysis on your competitors, and SEO optimize all of your videos. But in terms of content generation, you can do similarly to what we did with the last tool. Go here, and let's just put in AI tools as an example. You can get an overall rating of that particular keyword in terms of your video. So this is a pretty vague keyword. We could get a little bit specific with it, but you can kind of see that a lot of people are searching it. The competition is medium right now, so it's a decent keyword to use, and you could base your video ideas around that keyword. You could also obviously get a little more specific with this to kind of figure out what is the exact video you want to make. As you can see on the right here, there is some suggestions. You can also put in some competitors in your space in this section here, and you can kind of see what's trending for them. Another place that you could do this is actually in YouTube itself. So let me hop in over there and show you how that works. With vidIQ's Google extension that directly links to YouTube, you could also kind of see what's trending in the space. You could search up particular YouTubers, for example, Ali Abdaal's video catalog here. You could kind of scroll down here and you could see which videos are the outliers, which are performing better than his other ones. So here you can see all of these are pretty consistent, but over here we can see this one is performing 2.4 times better than his other ones, achieving 504 views per hour, even though it's a little bit older. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see that we have another one here that is performing a little bit better, and another one here that is performing a little bit better. So with this type of data, we could kind of repurpose it for our own content with our own unique spin, and we could generate a lot more content ideas with this. Okay, number 3 here. Remember when I told you I'd bring you another tool made by Neil Patel? Well, that's what this is. We got Answer the Public. I really like how this site breaks things down. So let's go over here to the YouTube section and let's put in a pretty generic keyword, and let's see what this generates for us. So I like how this breaks it down here. It's kind of like this circle graph here. The darker the color of orange is here, the more searches this particular phrase is getting. I like that it breaks it down in questions, prepositions, and other things like comparisons. But if we go under questions, we could see that under what AI tools should I be using is a popular search phrase or search question. How AI tools work is another one. What are AI tools? If we go to prepositions, we could see that AI tools with ChatGPT is a popular one, AI tools without login, AI tools for business, and this is kind of a cool way you can break down your content ideas. It also allows you to kind of break them down like this. Some people prefer looking at it like this. You could see the total search volume, and you could also, again, separate it by the different platforms here, like TikTok. So yeah, this tool is pretty powerful as well. Okay, number 4. This one has got to be the most simple one out of all of them, but it's obviously super effective. It's simply just utilizing the search bar. You could start writing in a simple phrase or question like best AI tools, and whatever it fills in for you, like for students, 2024, for video editing, for content creation, for coding, for marketing, etc. That's what people are already searching. So based on like little simple phrases and allowing it to fill in, you can get a pretty good idea of what people are searching. And then if we narrow it down a bit more, we could even see it expand even further. So that's a super simple tool. You could use it across the board for a bunch of niches, and anyone has access to this in a matter of seconds. Now, if you're really stuck, we could always just simply go to ChatGPT or Gemini and write in a prompt such as this. Let's write in, help me brainstorm 100 topics for YouTube videos. You could replace this with Instagram Reels or TikToks or whatever that I can make for my AI marketing business. They need to speak to the audience of those who want to elevate their business with AI tools. And then you let the prompt and ChatGPT do its magic. Let's see what it comes up with. Introduction to AI in marketing, what you need to know, top AI tools every marketer should use, 2024, how AI can transform your social media strategy. This is just gonna keep going. And then what I like to do with this, I like to play around with the keywords, like maybe I just copy this and put it into some of the other keyword research tools that I use to kind of see the statistics on some of these key phrases. And from there, I put all the best ones into a spreadsheet, and then I just have a big, long list of video ideas that I could dive into at any time. All right, anyways, that's all for today. If you got any bit of value from this video, please like, subscribe, comment. It's gonna help a small channel like this with the algorithm. It's gonna reach other people, and hopefully they can get value from this as well.